Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, continue natin yung pagsagot ng mga PMO 2023 qualifying round questions, especially from the average part. So ito is about algebra. So ang problem natin is let R and S be the roots of the polynomial x squared plus 2x plus 3. Find the value of 1 over r squared minus 1 plus 1 over s squared minus 1. So paano po ba yan, Sir IJ? Okay, so sige. Ang ibig sabihin ng roots ng isang polynomial, it follows that x squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Automatic yan mga idol. If you're looking for the roots of a certain polynomial, equate mo lang sa 0 and then you will solve for x. But for this case, kapag sinolve kasi natin yung value ng x dito, ano siya, complex number. So gagamit tayo dito ng sum and product of roots of a quadratic equation. So let us recall na ang quadratic equation is ax squared, or a quadratic equation can be squared as ax squared plus bx, plus c equals 0. So the sum of the roots is equal to negative b over a, and the product is equivalent to c over a. Kumbaga, without directly computing for the roots, ito na po yung sum and product nila. Negative b over a, and you have c over a. So, bakit natin to kailangan, Sir IJ? Kasi we will do some algebraic manipulation. Actually, may mas madaling technique dito, yung shifting ng Vieta. Pero medyo hindi pa siya advisable. Medyo advanced na siya eh. Sobrang advanced na siya. Pero siguro next time, pahagingan na natin. But for the meantime, more on algebraic manipulation muna tayo. And we will just use the sum and the product of the roots of a given quadratic equation. So, yung sum ng roots natin is r plus s equals, di ba ang b natin is 2? So that is negative 2. Ang a natin ay 1. So you have negative 2. And then the product is c over a. So that's 3 over 1. That's equal to 3. So ano nang gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So gagamitin natin to by using this mga logic. Simplify natin to and we will manipulate everything using the r plus s and the rs values. So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Simplify natin to mga logic. So kapag ito sinimplify natin, so parang cross-multiply lang yan. So you have s squared minus 1 plus r squared minus 1 all over the product of the denominator since magkaiba naman sila. Okay, mga logics. So kapag ito ni-rearrange mo, lalo na yung numerator, so that is equivalent to r squared plus s squared minus 2 all over. Ito pwede nating i-multiply. So, r squared, applying the FOIL method, r squared s squared minus r squared minus s squared. So, pwede mo siyang gawing minus r squared plus s squared plus 1. So, ano nang pinakakailangan natin, Sir IJ? Yung value ng r squared plus s squared. Itong rs kasi, meron na tayong value. Square mo lang siya, right? Kasi this is equivalent to rs quantity squared. So, how do we now compute for this? So, alam natin na ang r squared plus s squared can be computed using r plus s squared minus 2rs. Bakit naging ganyan? Kasi kapag ito, in-square natin, meron tayong middle term na 2rs. So 2rs minus 2rs, that will be cancelled, and you will be left with r squared plus s squared. So ano ba yung r plus s natin, Sir IJ? That is negative 2 squared minus 2rs. Ano ang rs natin, Sir IJ? That's positive 3. So you have 4 minus 6, so that is negative 2. Ito yung value ng r squared plus s squared natin. So you have negative 2 logic x minus 2 all over rs, which is 3 squared minus, okay, tama ka dyan, r squared plus s squared is negative 2 plus 1. Simplify natin. Numerator becomes negative 4. 9 plus 2, that's 11 plus 1, that's 12. Therefore, the correct answer for this problem is negative 1 over 3. So, that's letter B. So, next time siguro mga Lodi, turo ko sa inyo yung advanced technique dito, which is the shifting. But for the meantime, we go back to the basics, yung r plus s and rs, which is the sum and the product of the quadratic, or of the roots of a given quadratic equation. If may questions kayo or clarifications, wag po kayo mag-comment sa comment section. Kita-kit sa mga susunod na math tutorials na Sir IJ at saka mga engineering-related tutorials natin. Sana marami pa kayo matutunan and maraming salamat mga Lodi. Bye-bye and God bless.